pagi, good morning from Albino and wówtravels. Today we are in Tabanan, that goes from North Tanalot Temple until the beautiful rice fields of Jatiluwi. Today I'm so happy to show you the newest hotel, Ulaman Eco Resort. Come with me. The hotel has opened its doors in 2020. It's located 45 minutes drive from Bali's airport and only 40 minutes from Ubud. The hotel has 11 rooms and 9 more rooms are going to be built. One of the many things I like about this hotel is that in the room, you get the portable speaker, so you can bring your own preferred music anywhere around the hotel, and they have coffee capsules made in aluminium, so that means less plastic for our beautiful planet. So guys, did you like Ulaman Eco Retreat? Please comment your feedbacks down below. And please remember to share these videos with your friends and colleagues. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you want to keep watching the wonderful Indonesia. Thank you very much and see you at the next video. Ciao!